Hello there people, welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get as many TikTok coins as you want. Increase your balance in just a few seconds. I'm using this TalkCoin++ app. Now this is not a hack or a mod, this is just a plugin for the actual TikTok app. And for it to work, you'll have to have at least 50 hours on your TikTok app to increase your coins balance. You won't have to pay for the app or for any coins that you'll be getting by using this TalkCoin++ app. And also another thing that you need to do is go to your App Store or Google Play Store and make sure that your TikTok app is updated to its latest version for this app to actually work. What we need to do next is enter the actual TalkCoin++ app and put in the balance that we want to have actually. And also enable the feature right there. Generate coins. Also have your TikTok app running in the background with the balance option open as it is on my screen right there. Look at this now, guys. And boom, the coin balance is increasing and I'm getting the coins that I wanted for my TikTok app. So let's go ahead and let me show you how you actually get this TalkCoin++ app. The first thing that I will need you to do if you're an Android user is switch off your battery saver mode. If you're an iOS user, I will need you to go to your settings app, then go to general, background app refresh, and switch it on for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now you can go back to your original settings. Once you're done downloading the app, just keep them on like this for now. Also, for the background app refresh option to be enabled, you'll have to have your low power mod disabled. So make sure you have it disabled on your phone. So let's go ahead and let's go to the next step, which is opening our browser. You can use any browser that you want to. I'll be using my Safari one right there. And let's go to this website right here. This is a website that allows us to have many tweaked apps, plus apps, game hacks that you can all get for completely free. As you can see, tons of different apps are available on this website and you can search for the TalkCoin app manually, or you can do it in the search bar, which I will do right now. Or I found it. Okay. So it's right there, TalkCoin++. As you can see, file size is listed right there, how many times the app has been downloaded, and that it's available for both Android and iOS devices. So let's tap on the actual app and then we'll see the ratings right there and the reviews as well. So let's go ahead and tap on the install button, which will begin the downloading process. It's a pretty easy and quick process that won't take a lot of your time. You just need to make sure you complete it until the end. Once you've completed it until the end, you'll need to complete the verification process, for which you'll have all the instructions listed on the screen. So follow each and every instruction on the screen to complete the verification process. And once you're done with that, just go ahead and restart your mobile device. Once your device is back on, you'll be able to get as many TikTok coins as you want. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying TalkCoin++, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Cheers, guys.